Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is an unboxing of the mini Tarot of Mystical Moments. This is the full-size deck, and that's the little mini. And it's borderless as well, which is lovely. And it's by Karen Velstein. I'm assuming that's how you say it. So, without further ado, let's have a look. I'll pop that to one side. I just put that deck in so that you could see the size comparison. That's going to be tricky for me to get it open. So within the box, which is a Diddy box, this is the shape, the size of the box. It's they're quite small cards. Lovely little pocket deck. A Diddy little book that goes, so you've got all of the different meanings of the cards there. It's a really popular deck. You can always tell when it is actually, because then if it's really popular, then they make a mini. That's what, it's a good indication that it's a deck that a lot of people like. So I had to take the cellophane off there. Let me put my sword back. So we've got Katrin Velstein creates her distinctive collage art by drawing from her intuition and her imagination, integrating her own personal stories with a feminine point of view. She originally made Tarot of Mystical Moments with mostly female archetypes, including the 5 cards that are typically male, the Emperor and the 4 Kings. She later made male versions of these cards to allow the reader to decide which rendition to work with. Thus, the 83-card Tarot of Mystical Moments deck offers 5 bonus cards, which readers may choose to include or remove. So, we're going to have a look at these. Let's pop this to one side. That's quite a... Put that to one side. There you are. Right, now you can see they're Diddy. So and I like the fact that they will be I like the minis. As you know, I use the Radiant Radiant Wise Spirit in my Tarotscopes. I like the mini cards. So I'm going to go through them. Please speed up the video if you would like to have them quicker, go through them quicker, or if you would indeed like to slow them down, then please also slow it down. You're in charge of how fast we drive through this deck. They're gorgeous, aren't they? Can you see them properly? I really like this artwork. She's done an oracle deck as well. It's really lovely. Actually, what I'll do is I'll put in the description the full-size versions as well. I'll blow your horn. And also the oracle deck, if you wanted to have a look at that, because I think I've done a video with that. Oops. They're all flying everywhere. The female king one. So you can actually choose. It's up to you. You see what we had there? You see what she did? I can see what she did. Right, so Ace, Cups. I'll tidy up in a minute. That's a fib, because I won't, because I've got the worst OCD. Oh, these are lovely. And then again, we should have two king cards so you can choose. I hope you can see them, because my 9, 10, page, knight. Do let me know in the comments if you work with this deck and how you find it. Lovely. So they are the Tarot of Mystical Moments, the borderless, beautiful little pocket edition. Brand new to the market. Okay, lovely. Thanks very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed that. And as I said, please leave a comment for me. Let me know if you like it and if you are using it. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.